Okay, so I'm good at makeup. No. I like doing makeup. I'm just, like, I'm not good at it. But I've never tried to do a cool makeup look. I always just do, like, a regular, everyday makeup look. And I enjoy doing that. I think I'm just going to do, like drips. And then it's, like, galaxy-ish thing. And then it's regular, so then I only have like a quarter of the face to actually focus on. But I don't have any face paint or stuff like that. I've never had face paint because I've always been scared of it. I have like a colorful eyeshadow palette. Might take a bit longer, but I could probably use this as face paint. Also, everything I'm going to be using is cruelty free, and I will take you through the process. It's just
I'm learning too.
We're noobs together. I laid out all my makeup things that I have, so this is everything. It's all here. So starting out with the base, I'll put it in a time lapse because I don't think I need to explain to you that, but I will tell you what I'm going to be using. The Tarte Base Tape Primer. This is like a sample. This Burt's Bees foundation. This is in the color Classic Ivory, and this it's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You probably have it, honestly. Light neutral. I'm not going to use setting powder because I don't think I need it. I'm not going to have this on very long. I would get rid of this eyebrow, but I don't want to do that glue thing. So I think now, I guess, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm just going to brush them out. And then just so that they stay where I want them, I'm going to use this Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now we're getting to like the fun part. I'm going to trace out the line. I'm gonna take one of these brushes. I think it's for doing a smoky eye. And I'm just going to like kind of trace out using a tiny bit of like a blue color because it's like a galaxy, so I guess that makes sense. And this is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, the Bright. And this is so useful. Like, it has all the colors you could possibly need, in my opinion. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna trace out drips. Okay, so this is kind of what's going on right now. It just looks like I have a bruise line. I think I'm just going to try and get like a base of blue, and then I'll add in the purple to kind of get a galaxy-ish vibe. I don't know, this is kind of fun. So in the same palette, I'm just going to take this. I think it's a foundation brush, and these two blue colors because it's bigger. Use this, and I'm just gonna kind of like fill in. I'm actually gonna be taking all these colors and mix them. It's blending as I'm going. I'm gonna try going in with this to try and get like more color, like more precise color where I want it, so. It just looks like I have a giant weirdly shaped bruise on one half of my face. I have this ColorMates palette, but it has this nice dark blue and purple colors mixed with like a lighter blue, so I feel like adding these three might make it look less like a giant bruise. And they also have some sparkles in it, and bruises don't have sparkles, so maybe this will help. I'm going to use my black NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner to outline my drips. So I'm going to do my bronzer now. So I'm going to take this darker blue color. And then do like the same thing with only like this part of my nose, and then I stop and go back to normal when I get to the other. Okay, on this side of my face, I'm just gonna use my normal, my everyday bronzer, which is the Mineral Fusion one. I always take this after using like the slanted brush. I always take this one, and I just go in like circles to kind of blend it out. Now I'm going to use this Pacifica blush. This is my favorite blush. It's in the color Camellia, and I'm using this. I'm going to take my blush brush, and I'm just only going to do blush on this side though, because this side's like the happy and then that side's like the sad. Not sad, but just like, oh, I forgot to bronze the other side of my nose. I'm going to do that after. I forgot to do the nose contour on this side of my face, so that's what I'm gonna do. And also I forgot to finish on this side. I'm also gonna do blush on like half of my nose. And now highlighter. This is the best highlighter. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And what I like about this is I'll be able to use like, maybe I can use like Blue Moon for this side of my face, and then I can use Pink Heart for that side. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm going to try and focus on this eye. So I think I want to do more of like sun. I'm going to start out with a base coat with, this is like the Nubian by Juvia's palette. I never said what color I was using in the palette, which is probably useful information to know. So I just used this lighter tan. That's all. I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow brush and just kind of so now I have a base for this eye. I'm gonna use the yellow color in this palette. This is just a Wet n Wild pencil. I'm going to take it and I'm going to do a little like inner point and then an outer wing. I think I'm going to go over with this brown color and the same Nubian palette and just kind of like emphasize. Now I'm going to do lips. I'm going to use my NYX lip liner. This is in Mauve. My mom told me how to pronounce it. I don't remember those. I'm going to line my lips. Maybe I'll do an overline. I'm never overlining my lips again. This NYX Butter Gloss. I don't have white eyeliner, but I'm going to use that white color in my Color Mates palette. Taking a little eyebrow brush, and I'm going to use my eyebrow brush to make little stars on my face. That is not working. I'm going to take my Urban Decay setting spray. Yeah, you can see that. I'm going to do some gray ones. I'm going to take this gray-ish color in this, and I'm going to add shadows. Okay, I just gotta add mascara, and I don't think I'm gonna do false lashes, so I'm using the Tarte Lights Camera Lab. I'm gonna spray it. Okay, here's the reveal with hair down and everything. Okay, and I gotta get a thumbnail. Pretty surprised. Took a good 2 hours of my life. Like and subscribe and hit the bell and comment your thoughts. Okay, bye.